everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading account and you are new to the stock market, Moomoo does have a pretty good promotion going on right now. So if you go to the link in the comments and description section of this video, sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. They do have this promotion going on where you can receive up to 15 free stocks plus 1 extra share of Tesla or Google. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to that link, check it out, head over to Moomoo and sign up and, get some free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker MULN or Mullen Automotive. So they did put out an SEC filing yesterday. I was looking at their investor relations page, and again, these guys are in trouble with NASDAQ. It's just like one thing after another with these guys. So they said, as previously disclosed on September 6th, the company received written notice from the listings department of NASDAQ that the company did not meet the minimum bid price requirement of $1. So, Mullen did request a hearing before the panel to present a plan saying, hey, this is how we're going to get to $1 minimum bid price requirement, because they don't want to be kicked off of NASDAQ and, head to the OTC. So it says on October 3rd, 2023, the company received an additional written notice from the staff indicating that the staff had concluded that the company did not hold an annual meeting in the fiscal year ended September 30th, 2023. That met the NASDAQ annual meeting standard as set forth in Listing Rule 5620A. So that's the annual meeting rule. While the company held an annual meeting on August 3rd, 2023, and the proposals that were approved at the meeting, including the election of directors, are and remain valid, the staff determined that such meeting did not satisfy the annual meeting rule since the company did not afford stockholders the opportunity to discuss company affairs with management at the meeting as required under Listing Rule IM 5620. The company will present its plan to demonstrate compliance with the annual meeting rule at the previously scheduled bid price rule hearing that the panel will consider this matter in their decision regarding the company's continued listing on the NASDAQ market. So yeah, again here, Mullen getting in trouble. This is kind of what Mullen does. They've had a lot of trouble meeting these listing standards for NASDAQ, and we'll kind of see what comes out of the hearing that they're going to have with the panel. Maybe they're going to try to just do another reverse split because it just looks like organically, based on all their news about, hey, we're producing vehicles now and, we're getting this EPA certification and all this stuff, it's not really triggering the move they need. And they need more than a 100% rip here to get above the $1 minimum bid price. So I have a feeling they might just get that up for a vote again. And if they do, maybe they're going to try to push through that other proposal that allows them to do reverse splits without even getting shareholder approval, because we know they tried to push that through before at the annual shareholder meeting, and I believe it failed. So they're probably going to try to push that through as well, and then the shareholders won't even have a choice. They won't even get a vote if that gets passed, and the board and management will just be able to do reverse splits at will. And they've had to do a lot of them. I mean, let's look at the 10-year weekly chart here in Mullen. At the beginning of this chart, based on reverse split adjusted pricing, the shares were worth almost $90,000 a share. So you moved from $90,000 a share to 47 cents a share. So you can kind of see about that, 99.99999, I don't know how many nines that is, of loss here in equity to the shareholders, but it is absolutely brutal. I mean, I don't know if anybody's still around from these beginning days of Mullen Automotive, but if they are, it has got to be a really, really, really brutal big red number, in their trading account. But, I don't know if they've stuck around this long through all the reverse splits and all the problems Mullen has had. But we'll kind of see, they're still around. They're still raising capital. They're still remaining afloat, even though they continue to hemorrhage a ton of money. So we'll kind of see, if they can start producing these vehicles and, hopefully the vehicles run well and they can increase production. Maybe these guys can actually finally start turning in the right direction. But to date, it's been absolutely horrendous and absolutely brutal here, looking at this 10-year weekly chart that we're looking at right now. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on Mullen Automotive. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.